My name is Fiona. I built the boutique Marseille 28. I was living in the city in a small apartment, too much noise, too much traffic. I went for a drive in the country and suddenly bought a chunk of land, drove home and went, oh my God, what have I done? Drove back to actually put the rest of the money on the land and I saw a boutique brochure. I visited every display home possible and they were very patient with me. I think I walked through the Marseille and went, I really like this, and you know it. I think you just know in your gut. I had a very good idea about what I wanted, and thankfully the boutique were very flexible. I looked at my basic design and I could choose different elements. I built 3 bedrooms, not the standard 4. I changed the layout of my bathroom. I upgraded a few items and I highly recommend people do. Definitely go double glazing. Good in summer, excellent in winter. I upgraded my heating. I upgraded my bricks. But a lot of things too, I also stuck to the standard categories, which was fine. And it actually was not half as expensive as I thought it would be. I had a really lovely builder, so my build process was fantastic. He was very forthcoming, very positive. I was very confident in him, and I think that's it too. It's not just the organisation, it's the people who actually turn up and are building for you. As human beings, the pride in their work was important to them, and I knew that from day one. Marseille has this lovely inner spine. Everything sort of peels off from it. Really like my lounge room and my kitchen, and I've even got a little library. My bedroom's great. It's a lovely big bedroom. I think my bedroom's about the size of my old apartment. The nice thing about building, you didn't inherit somebody else's ideas. Interior choices, your colours are all yours, and that is fantastic. I stuck to black and white, very practical palette, and I can add whatever colour I like to it. It's eclectic, very, very eclectic. It's a bit of everything. And if you build well, you can move through trends, you can move through seasons. And I have enough room to do it. I can actually buy really big monumental pieces. As a single woman, and for single people in general, you can do it. The process was much easier than expected, and I felt informed, I felt heard, any issues I had were resolved. It's worked out beautifully, I love where I am, and it's probably been the best decision I've ever made.